Hello! You are sitting in a bowl of lemons right now as my tripod. We're at the tail end of getting ready for this camping trip. We had to have a little bit of lunch before we go because we're running out of energy. I don't know if you know this, but camping is a heck of a lot of energy, a heck of a lot of packing, planning. You pretty much just have to survive with the stuff that you bring, so you got to make sure you bring everything. I still have a couple duties to do before we head out, but taking in 5 before we square up here, make sure everything's good to go. We have a cat sitter coming for the weekend to stay, so they're all good. And I'm very excited to see my family. We booked a cabin in Bragg Creek, which is not too far from Calgary. It's only about an hour drive. I'm excited though, so I'm gonna take you guys with us, and it should be a redneck of a good time. Gotta get this show on the road. Yep. Camaros are not made for camping, but we make it work. Very, very tight. Very tight indeed. Got the radio?
Got the radio.
Bumpin' sound system in this bitch.
Custom sound system. Aftermarket.
It's tiny, but it's loud. Unloading the goods first, of course.
Circle and then south, but we didn't see the house because it must have been before the traffic circle. I think she's got the off with her. Isn't that for mosquitoes? Like, if you put it in their eyes, it might sting a bit.
This is a dibs-based system, not a wants-based system.
Oh, damn it.
Gotcha.
Stop it. Oh, I was like, what are you doing? You're even doing
Oh, there's 3 buggies on the hill. Nice.
I was like, what is this? It's just... Look at my moon. Yeah. Oh, you got a ball moon. That is not what that looks like. It's not what it looks like at all. How the fuck does that happen? This is a crescent moon, but you just got a full moon.
I know.
Oh god. What's up with the Samsung? How's Amy doing?
Not great.
You also just get a little ball. Trying to take a picture of the moon is harder than you think.
Oh no. Fuck me. That's so much better than.
Oh, what the fuck?
That's night mode.
Oh, Jesus
That's what I just took.
Christ.
That's what we were just watching it take.
Okay, that worked.
That was night mode.
And then everybody, like Max was like, let's go up right to the front because he's so excited. And we went all the way up to the front and we're standing there. And I was like, I have to stand here. Like, nobody was here yet. And then it got.
We got the goods. Homegirl can straighten her hair.
Give her. A chipmunk? Must have been a chipmunk.
Chipmunk by the shitter.
Oh, would you look at that friggin' view?
Royal.
Should we just climb down? Well, I bet if we went down another 100 yards. Come on, this is how all Disney movies start. We're going to face adversity and build some teamwork.
Is it toasty?
Oh, it's cool.
It's cool? Facing adversity.
Oh. Really cooled over here.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite black metal band.
Hold outside. Maybe go around and check the water.
It's cool. But I don't think I showed you guys the sweet baby child yet, did I? She's pretty. Real pretty. Big fat tires and everything. Airbnb experience. We got amenities. There's a toilet here. Just kidding. Much better. Yeah, isn't there like some kind of a rule about being naked here? Square.
You can punch,
How did you do
punch,
that?
and then stab, stab, slash,
It's a
whatever.
square. Look.
It's a square?
Look at it on the camper.
Oh, it is, eh?
Square.
It looks like a...
It's like a little castle.
No, a Mario symbol.
Look at the little towers on top.
It's Super
The towers
Mario.
on top. It's a castle.
Super Mario castle.
Packing up the bong. Gonna miss this little cabin. It was lovely. Little flickering candle at night. Oh, bunk beds. Cute. Bye. We're going to some waterfalls.
Well, let's head back.
Anybody want to put their feet in? It's probably pretty cold. It looks pretty cold.
I want to be friends with those guys. They got the right idea. Vancouver be like $3,000. No accommodations. You get free sticks though.
One's gonna be full of therapy.
See if I can get funniest home videos. Just kidding.
Bye.